something different today. I just got my order from Sandy, and I thought I'd share with you guys what I bought from her, and maybe some of these would interest you to buy from her. I just got the box, just put the scissors through it. There's Sandy, always being right on the ball. I purchased, push these aside. I purchased these from her. These are so stinking adorable, and I can't wait to use them because I've been eyeing them for so long, and I think she has them on special right now. I don't even remember, but look, oh, I can't wait to use them. This is going to be just perfect on mixed media and so forth. I just love everything like believe in yourselves, feel, seek, story, wonder, loss, mixed media or on a card, create art, collection, curiosity, take the scenic route, relics, notes, just unbelievable, like the sayings. And it's nice chipboard, nicely finished. You wouldn't have to put a finish on it if you didn't want to, but if you wanted to, you could put a light coat of paint on there and color it. It's not going to make a wish, not going to hurt it. Then I got this lavender piece of lavender paper, and from Prima, and it is a 6x6. Let me see. There you go. 6x6 Prima, and this is a lavender one. There you go. Oh wow, this is really, really pretty. Look, I'll bring in the camera a little bit. Look how pretty this is. Oh, especially where we're doing a shabby chic exchange. This is just, oh wow, this is just perfect. Double-sided, very nice cardstock. This is great, guys, to make. I make some, there's 3 sheets of each, I think, to make some, what was I going to say? Yeah, make some cards. Make some very beautiful butterflies. Oh no, there's 5 sheets of each. Oh, I like that too. Oh, these are sweet, sweet, sweet. Look at the paper. So yummy. I got that. And I also got the other one here. This is an 8x8. And it's from Prima also. This one here is a lavender. This one here is called Moonchild. This is the Moonchild. And it has 30 sheets of it, and it's an 8x8, 6 double-sided designs, 5 sheets each. I like that because when I get to create, like when I was creating today, I only had 2 sheets of each, and I end up making one wrong, so I had no spare, so I had to kind of, you know, go in and find something to match. But oh, look at this. Look at this, guys. Oh. That is going to go just perfect with the other stuff. Look. That is beautiful. Look at that. Oh. I absolutely love it. This is going to be some fun. Oh my goodness. Look at that. With the butterflies in it, and it's going to go real well. Although it's not the same, it's good. I think it's going to go really well with the other one. So that's from Prima. Then I got the 8x8 paper crafting, the fairy dust. I have done a journal that is made by file folders, and I've never finished it because I couldn't figure out what to put in it because it's kind of magical. So this is going to be great to fill it up. I'm going to use this. Oh, I love the colors. Can't go wrong with Graphic 45. They're so yummy all the time, all the time. Oh, that's a sweet, sweet. Just go, oh my goodness. Love that purple. Dance Upon Summers. Oh, just makes you want to eat a purple popsicle. This is really sweet. Mushrooms. Oh, you cannot go wrong with that. Cannot go wrong. Yes. So this is the paper crafting. This is Fairy Dust by 45. Graphic 45. So that's another thing I got. And I'm not sure what's in here. Oh yes. I got these because I thought maybe they would come in handy. And sometimes, although I think it's the only thing I don't have is 2 pulls with the lines, but I thought it would maybe come in handy as when I make an opening of a journal, or I'm thinking of making a box with drawers in it. So I think that'll come in handy for that. That's what I have in mind with that. I think you've seen them. And they're quite heavy. They're quite, they're antique brass door knockers, so they're pretty, pretty rugged. Now, I also got the Canadian here, Oh Canada. It's just, the reason I got this is because I had the whole collection, but I purchased this. I don't have the whole collection anymore, just because I have a lot of family that's out of town in the U.S., and I thought, well, maybe I'll want to do a card or something. It never goes out of style, and I like what it says. This is super cute, you know, to have around. Oh Canada. That's adorable. And as you know, you can pop them up in their frames or whatever. Use them as is. True North, strong and free. A little banner here. There's a proud Canadian. And here is the, oh, this is Canada. I like that. I didn't have this piece. I didn't think so. There's Canada. And there's the Inchinu. I can always have a hard time pronouncing that. And Canada A, and Skate Rentals, Looney, Toonie, On Guard for Thee, Red and White, Oh Canada, July 1st Canada Day, and a beautiful plaid heart. How can you go wrong? This is adorable. I think this is going to be sweet. And I got this Practically Perfect. I was kind of drawn by this. This is something else that you had, and it's called Practically Perfect, but it's a paper kit, 12 by 12. And this is, pull back just a little bit so you can see it all. And this is what you get in it. It's beautiful. The colors are gorgeous. It's by Cartabella, 12 by 12. And how to make a kite, and double-sided. Oh wow, that's pretty with the birds and the flowers in it. And then you have stripe. And then you have a city park. Oh, that's pretty. That reminds me of fabric back in the 60s or 50s, late 50s, 60s. I like this. This would be really sweet for a teacher's card or something. Oh, look at this. This I like. Oh, that is adorable. And in the back is Hyde Park in London. And here you have the cutaways if you want to cut them up. It says, have courage, always be kind. Anything can happen if you let it. Mary Poppins does that. Dare to lose yourself in a book. I'm a little teapot, short and stout. I can't read. Here is my handle, here is my spout. When I get all steamed up. You guys sing it. I can't. London Bridge, I know that one. Sweet and kind and smart and cheery. There's magic in the carousel. Now, don't all laugh at my singing altogether. It's like my daughter-in-law, when my first granddaughter was born, I didn't know about the spider in the rain or whatever. She bought me a book out of it. I guess I missed out on a few things. Oh, this is pretty. And now the butterflies are all flowery, and they match with the flowery pages that are there. Cartabella does such pretty stuff. Oh, shoot, look at this. This is really baby bumblebee. I'm bringing home my little bumblebee. London Bridge is falling down. It's raining, it's pouring. My Bonnie lies over the ocean. London Bridge. This is adorable. Oh. That's going to be hard to choose. This is some beautiful background. Okay, better keep going. I'll be here all day. Beautiful kites, all different colors. Again, it matches the paper. A kite. A day in the park. Wow, do I ever like this collection, guys. Ooh. Look at this. And it's a whole story. Well, yeah, good day, Professor. You're looking as dapper as always. Your garden are beautiful, and I suspect that's what he said, the mum will be the blue ribbon storm. A day in a park. That is sweet. And here you have some ribbons if you want to cut it. Oh, I like this one. Where were you when we were doing our tea exchange? No, our tea was envelopes. Yeah, I had Judy DeHaan, and she made me a beautiful pocket envelope. All with little teacups and the whole 9 yards. Love it. This is beautiful. Oh, look. This is adorable. Oh, this would be sweet to have cut on my cut and scan. Oh, that is beautiful. In a stripe. And then you get the sticker sheet, which is, again, just beautiful. Everything matches, obviously. Family fun times, kind and willy. Have courage and always be kind. Oh man, that is going to be so much fun. Make it so. It's going to be so much fun. I would recommend this one, as in every other one I got. So far, practically perfect. This is going to be super, super, super. And, let me see. Got one squished a little bit on the corner here. That's okay. This is from the CWV. And, that's right, I had 2 of those. And it's the premium mercury glass cardstock. Now, I don't know how it's going to show here because it's all, see, I gotta have to open it here. I thought this would be really, really sweet. Although I do my own, but these are always so much prettier, I find. Look at that, it looks like broken glass. I got 1, 2, 3 like this. Look at the pink. Oh, isn't that gorgeous? You can't tell, it doesn't do it justice. This is really worth. Die cut with a view. It is really worth it, guys. And here's beautiful gold. Oh, I like it a lot. 4 pages, and here you have kind of a brassy color. Yep, brassy color. Oh, look at that. You have a pattern in the back. Template for feathers. They really don't want you to miss out on much, huh? Okay, now I get it. They show you on the front here how to make them. So that's a 12 by 12 premium stack. And it says for more project ideas, visit www.dcwv.com/templates. Beautiful. From Die Cuts with View. And the other one is the Indigo Craft. Oh, this is going to make some really cool stuff. I can see my brain going already. I like that. It's got flowers, it's got denim, it's different. It's got kind of that brassy look, but it's kind of rose gold. Nice cardstock, very nice quality. Oh, look at these. Wow, 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 that's nice. Get 2 sheets of each. Love forever and always. And a nice stripe in the back, this one. Oh, look at the pretty dots. This is nice. Okay, the ones that aren't foiled are 2-sided, which is nice. Oh, isn't that pretty? Oh, that is beautiful, beautiful. Absolutely gorgeous. Oh, look at this. It's like navy blue panel. Probably doesn't do much justice right there. See that? Be really nice on a for water, beachy scene or lake scene or anything, or a man's card, boy's card, masculine. Nice little peachy color on the other side. Beautiful arrows. This is very good for masculinity too, you know. The back has a pattern also here. It's just like a little, I don't know, like a little tweed or something. And here you have cutaways, and it says, do small things with great love, enjoy life, stay amazing, inspire, be brave, you're loved, let's celebrate, you're my favorite, love. It's just perfect. I love those cutaways. They're just the right size. They're not too big because you can add on if you wanted to. Oh my goodness, look at this. I don't know, can you see it? I'm sorry for the glare, but you don't really have much of a choice. That's what it's all about. So again, guys, this is really, really sharp, and it's good to have because this is very elegant without being too feminine. So it works good for a male. It works good for a C. Anything really, female too for that matter. But anyway, this is die cut with a view at Indigo Craft and Rose Gold. That's what it was, Rose Gold. So you have 20 sheets, 12 by 12, and it's printed it and cardstock. Beautiful, premium stack. I like that. And what else did I get? Okay. Oh yes, I got myself some more score tape. That is at Christmas time, so Sandy's the cheapest you can get the score tape from. I mean, she's just incredible. You just can't get it cheaper than that. Well, that I know of anyway. I got some 5mm, 9.5mm, which is about a 1/4 of an inch. No, this is a 1/4 of an inch. This is a 1/2 inch. This would be a 1/2 inch, I believe. Oh, where's my little baby ruler? I hate that when they put meters. It's 1 inch. 1 inch. I'm a imperial child. So guys, this is what I got. I thought I'd share it with you guys because it is so stinking cute, and I know that I'm going to love being creative with this. And in closing, I just want to let you know that I won't be making a tutorial video this week as I am leaving in the morning. I'm going away. And I'll be back at the beginning of next week. And on Monday, I will probably have something for you midweek anyway. I have a couple in mind, but when I started to make one, I got called away, so I couldn't finish it. So anyway, have yourself a great crafty day, guys. Nice talking to you as always, and I just thought I'd share it. Give her a shout. If you're in the group, it's perfect because you get a discount. And I don't know if she still has her special, but she did have a special. If you bought $150 worth, you had free shipping, which is perfect. And, you know, we're very fortunate to have somebody like her. Have yourself a great day. Catch you later. Ciao. Bye-bye.